Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. Last weekend I played at a music festival in a small town in Derbyshire called Wirksworth. And while I was there, I ran into an old friend of mine who I hadn't seen for a few years. Last time I saw her, she was living in Brighton, and we got chatting, and I asked if she was still there, and she laughed and said, no. So after Brighton, I moved to Liverpool for a while, and then I decided to try Barcelona for a bit, and now I'm living here in Derbyshire. You know what I'm like. If I stay in one place too long, I start to get itchy feet. If you say that someone has or someone gets itchy feet, it basically means they have a strong urge to travel to different places. So, working as a teacher, I know lots of people who travel around quite a lot. And they say things like, I've only been back home for a few weeks, but already I'm starting to get itchy feet. Or, you know what I'm like. If I stay in one place for more than a couple of years, I start getting itchy feet. It can also be used to talk about a desire to leave a job or a relationship that you've been in for a while, just because you're getting a bit bored and you get restless and you want to do something else. So you might hear things like, I've been doing this job for about 8 years now, and to be honest, I'm starting to get itchy feet. Or, after about 5 years together, I just started getting itchy feet, and I knew that that was a bad sign, so I ended it there. I guess, as with any time you get an itch, the best thing to do with it is to scratch it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, your colleagues, your students, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use have itchy feet or start getting itchy feet.